Hello guys, welcome to weekly outlook here on pound USD. We've got euro USD, we've got the gold, USDCAD and DXY. Starting off with pound USD, last week we were anticipating a continuation of sales, but the bulls were stronger and we saw price break through this strong resistant region here of 1.25 psychological level. Now price is currently at it actually tested 1.26 region. So I feel like maybe we might be continuing for buys for now, or this might be price retesting a very critical level of 1.26 and continue to the downside. Regardless, this is what I'm anticipating for this week. We pull back into this region here, possibly maybe want to retest this trend line, and then a continuation to retest these highs. Either it breaks it, if it breaks it, we retest and then we'll continue to the upside. Or at market open, we could see price break straight ahead, retest, and then we'll continue to the upside. I'll be looking out for sales. The only reason I'll be looking for sales will be if price comes to break below this region here. Then we'll be looking for sales to, more like price breaking below these regions here, break of the upward trend line, break of the strong support region here, retest. Then we can start looking for sell opportunities to the downside. So that's that for pound USD. Now for the euro USD, is quite very similar to pound USD, very similar because they correlate. My anticipation will be a pullback to these regions, maybe want to retest this trend line for the third time, and then we can have a continuation to the upside. Either it stops here or we get a break, a retest, and a continuation to the regions of 105 or 106 region. Or we could just get price breakout of this region at market open. We look for a retest and then a continuation. Lastly, the only way I'll be anticipating for sales is if price comes to break this support region here of 103.80, 103.77. If it breaks it with the help of this upward trend line as a confluence, we look for a break, retest, and then maybe look for opportunities to sell. Alright, something like that. And then we do have gold. Basically gold has created a huge double top here. We might want to probably see price start going to the downside. We also have an upward trend line here which looks like it has been broken, but for us to start really bagging sales for gold here, we want to see price maybe pull into this region, a retest of 2,875 region. We want to see price sell to 2,860 regions, break below, retest, things like that, lower lows, lower highs. Okay, otherwise this region might be held very strongly. I'm also looking at these regions of 2,900. So if price breaks back into that region, I want to see upward trend lines, higher highs and higher lows, and then we look for possibilities to buy. But I think maybe we might start looking for sales below this region here. And then USDCAD, basically we have USDCAD here. Similarly to pound USD and euro USD, we want to see a pullback into this region here and a continuation to the downside, break below, continue. Or we want to see price just break out at market open, a retest, a continuation. The only reason we'll be looking for buys in USDCAD if price comes to break 1.4370 region. Alright, that way we look for buy opportunities. Lastly, DXY for confidence. We've seen price create a very huge downward movement here. So at market open, either we'll continue or we'll pull back to these regions here, and then we'll continue to the downside, or we could just get a continuation to the downside here. Alright, something of that nature. The only reason we'll be looking out for buys, actually the only reason I'll be looking for buy opportunities as a confluence on DXY is if price comes back to 108.50 regions. That's the only reason. Okay, that's that for this week. I hope you back some peeps. I'll see you guys for updates during the midweek, and make sure you enjoy the week. Ciao.